The future of your favorite band. What could music production in the future look like, and how will people perceive it? Lisa and Justice have the same passion, which is music. They come from all over the world, but do not have the possibilities for making music like they want to. Justice is from Munich in Germany. He always wanted to play the contrabass, but is physically unable to do it. This is Lisa from Australia, at least that's what she claims. She has some wonderful melodies in her mind, but doesn't have the knowledge to bring them to life. That's when our vision comes in. Now it's possible for Justice to play on his mind-controlled bass. And on the other side of the world, Lisa becomes a virtuous player on her intuitive hologram guitar. Due to these futuristic possibilities, Justice and Lisa can meet each other in a virtual room where they can join together and have a jam session. This way, existing borders to making music are broken.